What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about SPA, Sperax today, or as some people might call it, SPA. We're talking about SPA today. It's a SPA day. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, you guys, and let's get into it, okay? It is the 28th of April. It's a brand new day today. We're sitting at about 2 cents right now, consolidating very well at the top of this very, very nice move to the upside. I mean, how much was this from a low to a high? Let's see. Low to a high overall, 198%, consolidating nicely up here. I mean, other than the wicks, right? If we just ignore the wicks, it looks like you have a flat top and descending lows. That's a nice structure to have atop of your masses of riches and glory. This is actually a nice thing. So if we're looking at this from an overall high to a low perspective on the fibs here, you're consolidating right beneath the golden ratio, finding support right at the 0.5. And this to me says, and I would assume that over the coming days, if not today, it could be any day now. It could be probably by the time you watch this video. Maybe it's tomorrow. Who knows? Soon, very soon though, we will be breaking out to the next phase up. Absolutely. That's my expectation. And I wouldn't be surprised at all if we saw prices on this next move up. You're at 2 cents now. If we saw prices at 3.4 cents to 4 cents by the end of this next endeavor, maybe by the end of the month, if not literally within like the next, by the end of this week. It really wouldn't surprise me if we were up there. I forget, but I'm pretty sure we have included SPA in the 20-cent race with XCN and Swiftcoin. Let's pull up Swiftcoin here. XCN is in second place in this race, right? We added SPA a little late to the game, but it's in the race now. Swiftcoin caught up a little bit today or yesterday. It went up to 1.75 cents. It was catching up a little bit, hot on XCN's trail, but Swiftcoin's in third, SPA is in first place, XCN is in second place to the great race to 20 cents, right? I'm thinking that SPA might have a leg up here over the coming days. I'm thinking that XCN and Swiftcoin will too. It depends on how big this leg up is, but I really do expect that we'll see 3.4 cents to 4 cents, and that would likely maintain your first place positioning here. If we're looking at the daily RSI has gotten overbought, cooled off a little bit. You're ready to go, man. You could go lower. Maybe go to the 60, find support. Maybe go to the 50, find support. Maybe go to the 40, find support. Maybe you do. But I doubt it. I don't know. I don't think you're going to break out of this range to the downside. Let's look at the 4 hour, see if we can confirm that. 4 hour RSI, lower lows throughout the whole thing, higher lows here. That's hidden bullish divergence. That's so good, you guys. You get higher lows in your consolidation and lower lows in your indicator. That's actually a really good thing. Not a bad thing at all. Volume is dying off, and as you consolidate, your volume should die off. Once you break out one way or the other, volume should come back in, and that will, once the volume comes back in, that'll validate the breakout move. So we're looking for this breakout move. I think let's try and draw this as appropriately as possible. Let's see. Would it be here? I want a line of best fit. Something like this maybe. Is that a line of best? That seems like a line of best fit right there. Everyone's different. Some people are like, no, it has to be exactly here. Okay, well, maybe it is, but I don't think so. This coin, if we're looking at it, SPA, I don't think it has to be exactly there because it's at a $35 million market cap. I think that the rules are a little bit more flexible with this. So line of best fit it is. Low liquidity equals less rigidity. And then here, right? If we're looking at this on a 4 hour basis, I mean, today is the 28th. The apex there is on the 1st. Within the next 3 days, we're going to break out, guys. So might as well be today, if not over, like maybe tomorrow. But soon enough, we're going to be breaking out. I don't see us breaking out to the downside. If we do, we'll see prices at about anything really probably below about 2 cents would be validating to the notion that we are going to the downside. But I don't think that we do. Anything above 2.17 cents would validate that we are going to the upside. So look for that. Looking on the 1 hour time frame, and I do have to say I like the 4 hour RSI too. 1 hour RSI getting overbought, cooling off a little bit, ready to go to the next price up. You're moving up with purpose, with volume. You're moving down without it. So I'm not worried about you at all. Where are you at right now? 382? No, the 0.5. Okay, fine. Yeah, ultimately I think you're going to move higher. And while we have talked about the 3.3? 3.4 to 4 cent area as your next kind of target area. Inevitably, SPA, I think that you're moving up to 6 cents, 10 cents, and beyond. It would not surprise me if by the end of June, this thing saw a price growth that was 10x or more. We're going to get a multi-$100 million market cap on this thing or more. Probably. We'll see. Time will tell. It doesn't have to happen, but I certainly would expect it, right? I'm expecting the average coin from their current prices to do something on the lines of a 3 to a 4x. So that would at least put you at about 6.2 cents, if not 8.4 cents by the end of June. But for this thing, I'm thinking that we really see by the end of June, we probably see a price that's around something closer to 25 cents or thereabouts, if not maybe even 41 cents. But I doubt you see 41 cents, because overall from the low that you've got already, that would give you a 43x. I'm not saying it can't happen, but I doubt it for that reason, right? It's a pretty big move overall. Here, right above the 2272, I could see that a 13x, go to 27, 28 cents. I could see that happening. And at a minimum, my expectation, right? The average minimum would put you at about 7 to 10 cents, whatever. But my expectation, the minimum would be about 14 to 17 cents. I really do like this 25-cent area. I think Onyx Coin, Swift Coin, and SPA, they're all going to go around 20 cents, give or take, just below, just above. Well, probably all just above, but how far up above, I don't know. I think Swift Coin and SPA stand a better chance of seeing prices in the 30-cent range or higher. They're at much lower market cap, so as far as overall growth goes, they could see more growth. But Onyx Coin does move pretty damn fast. We'll see who gets to 20 cents first. At this point, SPA is in the lead. We'll see if it remains there. I don't think that I have anything else that I want to say, man. Everything's looking good. I know it's been boring. I haven't talked about you in a couple days. When was the last time I talked about SPA? April 21st. It's the 28th now, so it's been about a week. But let's be fair, you've been moving sideways for about a week. I'm talking about it now because we're at the end of the consolidation phase, and I very much believe we're about to break out. So prepare yourselves. A pump is coming. If it's not today, if it's not tomorrow, between now and the first, it's happening. It's happening. All right, take care. Bye-bye. See you on the next one.